All right, guys, so we've got a scenario where we created a small food plot here in the woods. This is the first time it's planted. It wanted to establish some clover in it. Got a cover crop of wheat in it. You can see the deer are eating it, but one thing about these small plots, they don't get a lot of sunshine. So until the leaves got off the trees, the clover's hasn't been getting as much sunshine as we'd like it to. But also now, there's a carpet of leaves out here on top of the clover. So if I came in here and raked, it might damage some of the clover plants. So the plan is, I got Jack here and we're both got blowers, and we're gonna get in here. It's the middle of the day. We're gonna make noise, but blow as much of the leaf litter out and let the sunshine hit that clover as we can. And then before we leave, I'm gonna hit it with some Clover Max fertilizer and try to get this clover to jump. It looks good, the deer are eating it, and the clover's there, but we need to get that leaf litter off of it. So you can see when you look at the ground, there's a lot of this clover has been covered by leaves, and it's long and very tender looking, delicate. So, I don't know if the next cold snap is gonna be a detriment, but I do know if they'd stayed covered in leaves, they weren't going to make it. So I'm thinking this will help. We got a lot of leaves blown off. Sunshine's going to now be able to hit some of this clover. We hit it with the Clover Max fertilizer. So I don't think I had a choice. I think if we'd left it, the leaf litter would have choked out some of this stuff. So just trying to give it the best chance it can to be successful. So we're a few weeks away from Christmas. Most all the leaves are off the trees. There's still a few trees that have them at beach, but it was a chance to just come out here in the middle of the day. It was 12 noon when we started, and just try to knock this litter back, do what we can to try to help this plot. It's really productive. You can see looking at that utilization cage. I planted non-typical clover in here, but I also put a little outfitter's blend as a cover crop, and boy, they have nailed it. Just sometimes you just got to do stuff and you got to try. You have to try to do the best you can, and that's what we're doing here.